Hello everyone, a very good morning to all my dear students. How are you? All are fine? Very good. So, first you just tell me how are you? Yes, tell me the sentence. I am fine, thank you. You just fold your hands and say, I am fine, thank you. Okay, so now tell me which school do you study? Tell me the name of your school. Which school do you study? Yes, you study in Gokuldas Public School. You just say, fold your hand and say, I am studying in LKG. Okay, I am studying in LKG class. I am studying in LKG. Good. Now, which class do you study? Tell me your class name. Yes, I am studying in LKG. Very good. Now, which period is going on? Which period is going on? EVS. Which period is going on? EVS. Which period is going on? EVS. Okay. So, today I am going to teach you air transport. Okay. Today I am going to teach you air transport. Okay. What is the air transport? Air transport. What is the air transport? When the vehicle moves in air. When the vehicle moves in air. That is called air transport. Okay, when vehicle moves in air. That is called air transport. Okay. So, in your previous session, you learned road transport and water transport. Okay. Road transport. Okay, road transport. And water transport. Okay, you understand what is the road transport and water transport? Okay, first you just tell me what is the road transport. What is the road transport? When the vehicle moves in the road. Okay, this is your road. You see, when the vehicle moves on the road, that is called road transport. When the vehicle moves in water, that is called water transport. Now, air transport, when vehicle moves in air. When vehicle moves in air, that is called air transport. In air transport, which types? How many types? Number 1, aeroplane. Okay. Number 1, aeroplane. Okay. Aeroplane moves in air. That is called air transport. Aeroplane is in air transport. This is the type of air transport. Now number 2. Okay. This is helicopter. Okay. So helicopter also is air transport. Helicopter. Okay. Air transport. Now next. Okay, this is your rocket. So rocket is also air transport. Okay, you see in the air rocket. Now there are three types of air transport. You see aeroplane in air, in sky. Aeroplane is also air transport. Helicopter is also air transport. Rocket is also air transport. Okay. Parachute, air balloon also is air transport. Okay. Number 4, air balloon also. Number 4. Okay. This is your air balloon. So this is also air transport. Air balloon is also air transport. Okay. So these 4 types of air transport. In your syllabus there are 4 types: aeroplane, helicopter, rocket, air balloon. Okay. These 4 are air transport. Okay. What is the air transport? Means when vehicle moves in air. When vehicle moves in air, this is called air transport. Okay. So now take out your notebook, pencil and eraser and write with me. What we write? Air transport. Okay. What is the heading? Air transport. These 4 are air transport. This is the types of air transport. And what is air transport? Yes, vehicle moves in air, because aeroplane moves in air, helicopter moves in air, rocket in air and air balloon also moves in air. They runs in air. Okay. No road, no water. These 4 are air transport. Okay. So now take out your notebook and write with me. Today we write air transport. Okay, and draw the picture also. Draw the picture also. First we will write heading. Okay, first we will write heading. So what is the heading? Air transport. Okay. So this is your 4 lines. What is the heading? A I R T R A N S P O R T. First you write air, then 2 finger distance, then write transport. Air transport. Air transport. Okay. After heading, first we will write the picture. So number 1, on number 1, first we will write the picture. Okay. Here we write the picture of aeroplane. Okay. First we will make aeroplane. Okay. Then you part into partition. Okay. 1 and 2. only one part, okay, because the spelling is very big, so we will part only one line, okay. First we will write the spelling of aeroplane. What is the spelling of aeroplane? Okay, repeat after me. First we will write here A E R O P L A N E, aeroplane, okay. How many times we will write? 2 times. For again we will write A E R O P L A N E, aeroplane, okay. First your spelling on count on your finger, okay. A E R O P L A N E, aeroplane, okay. One trick for you, take your pen and write here A E R O on your fingers, okay, on your fingers, and then revise the spellings. A E R O P L A N E, aeroplane, okay. So this is helpful for you, okay. On your fingers you write the letters and count the spelling, then learn the spelling, okay. First we count the spelling, then learn, okay. So you learn the spelling of aeroplane, okay. So number 1, aeroplane. Aeroplane is air transport. Number 1 is aeroplane. Number 1 is aeroplane. Number 2. Okay, then number 2. First you make the picture of, okay. This is your 4 lines. What is this? Yes, this is helicopter. Helicopter is also air transport. Okay, this is helicopter, and helicopter is also air transport. So, what is the spelling of air transport? What is the spelling of air transport? Yes, H E L I. Okay. C O P T E R. Helicopter. Okay. This is the spelling of helicopter. Now again we will write on your fingers. Letters we will write on your fingers and count the spelling and learn the spelling. H E L I C O P T E R. How many? All 10 letters. So we will break the spelling. Okay, we will break the spelling. 4 and 6. H E L E. Okay, first you learn H E L E, then C O P, then T E R. Okay, break in part. So first H E L E, C O P, T E R, helicopter. Okay, so this type you learn the spelling. Okay, then you count on your finger also. Letter write on your fingers, then count the spelling and then learn the spelling. So, this is the helicopter. Again, we'll write helicopter. H-E-L-I. Helicopter. C-O-P. First, C-O-P-T-E-R. Helicopter. Aeroplane. Helicopter. Now number 3. Okay. Number 3. Number 3 is rocket. Okay. This is your rocket. Rocket like this. Okay. Moves like this. Moves in the air. So, this is the rocket. This is your 4 lines. What is the spelling of rocket? Yes. Repeat after me. R-O-C-K-E-T. Rocket. Okay. R-O-C-K-E-T. Rocket. Rocket is a air transport. Rocket is a air transport. Okay. So, first aeroplane, air transport, helicopter, air transport, rocket, air transport. Now, number 4. Number 4. First, you write all 3 names. Now, move to the next number. Number 4. Okay, first, number 4, we'll make the picture. So, first make balloon. Then you make here small box. Okay, and air balloon. Okay, this is your air balloon. In your notebook, we will make air balloon. Okay, and here we write the picture. Spelling of air balloon. What is the spelling of air balloon? Repeat after me. What is the spelling of air balloon? Yes. First, we write the spelling of air. A-I-R. Air. So, first, we'll write here A-I-R. Air. B-A-L-L-O-N. Balloon. Air balloon. Okay. Air balloon. So, this is your air balloon. You see air balloon in the sky. Okay. So, air balloon also moves in the air. Means air balloon moves in the sky. So, this is also air transport. Again, we will write the spelling of air balloon. What is the spelling of air balloon? A-I-R-B-A-L-L-O-N. Okay. First, we will write the spelling, then learn the spelling. Okay. We will write so many times, so you read the spelling and learn the spelling also. First, we will write. Okay. First, write the images also. So, you find out which one is air transport, which one is road transport. Okay. So, this is your air transport. You understand what is the air transport? These all 4 vehicle moves in the air. ओके, जो आपको स्काई में जितने भी व्हीकल्स शो होते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट। सिंपल। ओके, आप आसमान में जब देखते हो ऊपर तो जितने भी व्हीकल्स जैसे एरोप्लेन, हेलीकॉप्टर, रॉकेट, एयर बलून, ओके, these all are air transport. Okay, so these four on write on your notebook air transport. So in your notebook all three transports here, air, water and road transport. So all three are means of transport. So now your lecture is over. Okay, so all are understand what is the air transport. Okay, very good. So now bye bye. Have a nice day.